Hi guys, welcome back to our lecture series on plus 2 mathematics. So in this video, we are going to find out or we are going to discuss a shortcut method to find out integral x raised to n f of x dx. Now without wasting time, let us go directly to the video. So before that, let me remind you one thing. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, do subscribe it now itself and press the bell icon also. Okay. Now let us go to the topic. See, a shortcut method to find out integral x raised to n f of x dx. Integral of the product of x raised to n and f of x dx. So here x raised to n means it may be x raised to 1, x raised to 2x, x raised to 3, etc. So the first function is integral x raised to n and the second function is f of x. So here this f of x could be sine of ax or cos of ax or e raised to ax. Is it clear? We are going to discuss a shortcut method to find out integral x raised to n f of x dx, where x raised to n means n can have any integral value, that is x raised to 1, x square, x cube, etc. into f of x. F of x may be sine of ax, cos of ax or e raised to ax. Now let us try to find out the shortcut method. See, first of all let us go directly to a problem. Integral x cube sin x. So the first function is x cube. So here x raised to n is taken as the first function and the second function is sin x. So next what you have to do is you have to keep on differentiating the first function x cube till we get 0. That means you will have to differentiate this function. Differentiate the first function x raised to n, or here differentiate the first function x cube successively till we get the value 0. And the second function is to be integrated successively. So first function you will have to differentiate and the second function you will have to integrate. So this method is also called DI method. DI method or DI technique. That means you will have to differentiate the first function and then you will have to integrate the second function. So x cube, we are differentiating successively. So what is derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. Again differentiate. So 3 into derivative of x square is 2x. So 3 into 2x is 6x. And next derivative of 6x is 6. And derivative of 6 is 0. That means you will have to differentiate the first function till we get the value 0. And the second function is to be integrated successively. That is why this is called the DI method, differentiating and integrating. See, what is derivative of sin x? It is minus cos x. What is, integral of sin x? What is integral of sin x? It is minus cos x. What is integral of minus cos x? It is minus, what is integral of cos x? Sin x. So clear? Again integrate. Integral of minus cos x is minus, what is integral of sin x? It is minus cos x. So you will get plus cos x. Again integrate, what is integral of cos x? Sin x. That means you will have to integrate the second function successively. Second function is sin x. So integral of sin x is minus cos x. And integral of minus cos x is minus sin x. So what is integral of minus sin x? It is plus cos x. What is integral of plus cos x? It is sin x. Now you will have to put arrows like this. That means you will have to put arrow like this. The first arrow is like this. And keep on putting arrows like this. And the last arrow is like this. See, the first term, here you will have to take a positive sign. Here you will have to put a positive sign. And after that, change the sign alternatively. So this is positive and here it is negative. Again this positive and here is negative. Now you simply multiply and add the terms. So the first is x cube into minus cos x. So here is minus cos x. This is plus. So you simply multiply x cube into minus cos x is minus x cube cos x. See, this is negative. Here also we have a negative sign. So minus becomes plus. Plus. Just multiply the terms. 3x square sin x. 3x square sin x. Next term is positive. 6x into plus cos x. That is plus 6x cos x. Next is the term is minus 6 into sin x is 6 sin x. Plus constant of integration is c. So this is minus x cube cos x. X cube into minus cos x is minus x cube cos x. This is plus. And next is minus, that is plus 3x square sin x. Plus 3x square sin x. Next is plus. Here also we have a positive sign. 6x into cos x. 6x cos x. And the next term is negative. Minus 6 into plus sin x. That is minus 6 sin x plus c. So this method is very simple, I think. So let us go to the second problem. Integral of x square e raised to 3x. So the first function is x square and the second function is e raised to 3x. So here you will have to differentiate, and in this function you will have to integrate successively. So what is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is 2x. Differentiate successively till we get the value 0. So derivative of x square is 2x. What is derivative of 2x? It is 2. What is derivative of 2? It is 0. Now the second function is e raised to 3x, and you will have to integrate successively. So what is integral of e raised to 3x? It is e raised to 3x by 3. What is integral of e raised to 3x? Is e raised to 3x divided by derivative of 3x. It is 3. Now again you will have to integrate. So here 1 by 3 into integral of e raised to 3x. How do you integrate this? This is 1 by 3. It's a constant. 1 by 3 into integral e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x by 3. So 1 by 3 into e raised to 3x by 3 is e raised to 3x by 9. Again integrate once more. So what is here, the constant is 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 into integral of e raised to 3x. What is integral of e raised to 3x? It is e raised to 3x by 3. So constant into integral of the function, you know. So what is integral of e raised to 3x by 9? It is 1 by 9 into integral of e raised to 3x. What is integral of e raised to 3x? E raised to 3x by 3. That is e raised to 3x by 9 into 3. 27. Now you will have to put arrows like this, x square and e raised to 3x by 3. Here and here the arrow is to be put like this. So the first is positive, then negative, then positive. Write the terms. The first is x square into, this is plus x square into e raised to 3x by 3. That is 1 by 3 x square e raised to 3x. Okay? 1 by 3 x square e raised to 3x. X square into e raised to 3x by 3. That is 1 by 3 into x square e raised to 3x. That is positive. Here the next term is negative. Minus. So what is the constant here? 2 by 9 is the constant. Here we have 2 and by 9. So 2 by 9. 2 by 9 into x e raised to 3x. X e raised to 3x. The next is plus. Here the constant is 2 by 27. Multiply these two terms. 2 by 27. 2 into e raised to 3x by 27. Then that is 2 by 27 e raised to 3x. 2 by 27 e raised to 3x plus constant of integration. See, this method is very simple. You can simply find out the answer in a single step. See, let us go through the third problem. See, now here the first function is x square and second function is sin 3x. You will have to differentiate this successively till we What is derivative of x square? It is 2x. So derivative of 2x is 2. And what is derivative of 2? 0. Next you will have to integrate sin 3x successively. So what is integral of sin 3x? Minus cos 3x. Divided by derivative of 3x, that is 3, minus cos 3x by 3. So what is, again integrate, integral of minus cos 3x by 3. What is that? Here minus 1 by 3 is a constant. Minus 1 by 3 into integral cos 3x is sin 3x by 3. That is minus sin 3x by 9. Is it clear? You will have to integrate minus cos 3x by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is a constant. Minus 1 by 3 into integral cos is sin. So minus 1 by 3 into integral cos 3x is sin 3x by 3. So in the denominator we have 3 into 3. That is 9. Again integrate once more. So here minus 1 by 9 is a constant. Isn't it? So minus 1 by 9 into what is integral sin 3x? Again it is minus. So minus into minus becomes plus. Isn't it? Plus integral cos sin 3x is minus cos 3x. So it is cos 3x by 27. So clear? Minus 1 by 9 is a constant. Minus 1 by 9 into integral sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3. So in the denominator we have 9 into 3, 27, minus into minus. Integral sign is minus cos. So minus cos becomes plus. Plus cos 3x by 27. Now you will have to put arrows. See, x square is to be joined with minus cos 3x. That is the second term here. And the next arrow is like this. And the third arrow is this. Now you multiply the terms and add. So here we have x square into minus cos 3x by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is the constant. So minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into x square cos 3x. X square cos 3x. You write the constant term first. So here, so this term is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. So here we have minus 1 by 3 x square cos 3x. So here this term is to be given negative sign. So minus into minus becomes plus. So the constant is 2 by 9. 2 by 9. X into sin 3x. X sin 3x. So here all the terms are positive, plus 2 by 27. 2 by 27 cos 3x plus constant term integration. So this is x square into minus cos 3x by 3. The constant is minus 1 by 3 x square cos 3x. Minus 1 by 3 x square cos 3x. Here minus becomes plus 2 by 9 into x sin 3x. Write the constant coefficient first. That is 2 into 1 by 9. That is 2 by 9. The sign is positive. Minus becomes plus. X into sin 3x. X sin 3x. Plus, here we have, this is plus and this term also is positive. 2 by 27 cos 3x plus c is the constant of integration. So this is the shortcut method to find out integral of x raised to n f of x dx, where f of x is sin of ax, cos of ax, or e raised to ax. See, but in your board examination, you will have to solve these type of problems by using integration by parts. So what is that formula for finding out for integration by parts? See, integral of the product of two functions. Integral of the product of first and second functions is equal to first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. This formula is quite known to you. So what is the formula for integrating by parts? So integral of the product of two functions, first and second, is first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of and cos x is the second function. See here, how will you choose first and second function? For that we can use the rule isolate. See, remember, isolate is not a mathematical rule, but for the sake of simplicity we can use isolate to choose first and second function. The function which comes first in isolate is taken as the first function. How will you choose the first function? The function which comes first in isolate is taken as the first function. What is I? I is inverse trigonometric function, that is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, etc. I stands for inverse trigonometric function. What is L? L is logarithmic function, and A stands for algebraic function, and T stands for trigonometric function, and E stands for exponential function. So I stands for inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse, cos inverse, etc. L stands for logarithmic function, log x. A stands for algebraic function. Algebraic function means it may be a function of the form x raised to n. Trigonometric function means f of x is equal to sin x, cos x, etc. Exponential function means a function of the form e raised to ax is called an exponential function. The function which comes first in isolate is taken as the first function. So here we are given integral cos x dx. So x, what is x? X is an algebraic function. And what is cos x? Cos x is trigonometric function. So in isolate, first comes a and then t. So a comes first, so it is taken as the first function. See, a comes first and t comes next to a. So a is taken as the first function, that is x is taken as the first function and cos x is taken as the second function. So what is the rule? First into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Now let us apply directly. So the first function is x. X into, what is integral of cos x? Integral of second means integral of cos x. Integral of cos x is sin x. Minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of x, d by dx the first function means derivative of x, that is 1 into integral of second. Integral cos x is sin x. See here, this has two parts. See, the second term in each part is integral of second. Here, first into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into again integral of second. These two are one and the same. So, first x into integral cos x is sin x minus integral of derivative of x is 1 into the same function here into integral of second sin x. So, this is x sin x minus, what is integral sin x? Integral sin x is minus cos x plus c. So this is x sin x minus minus becomes plus cos x plus c. See, how will you solve this by using shortcut method which we have seen earlier? See, x is the first function and cos x is the second function. So here you will have to differentiate and here you will have to integrate successively. So what is derivative of x? It is 1. And what is derivative of 1? It is 0. That means you will have to differentiate successively till we get the value 0. And then the second function is to be integrated successively. What is integral of cos x? It is sin x. And what is integral of sin x? It is minus cos x. So the process is over. Now you will have to put arrows. See, the first arrow is like this. And keep on putting arrows x sin x. The next arrow is this. So this must be given a plus sign and the second one needs to be given a minus sign. So starting with the positive signs, you will have to put signs alternatively. So just multiply and add. So x into sin x is x sin x. Then minus minus. Here we have a minus sign and this is minus cos x. Minus minus becomes plus. What is 1 into cos x? Cos x plus c. X sin x plus cos x plus c. This is nothing but x sin x plus cos x plus c. See, I think both the shortcut method and usual method of integration integration by parts. I think both are clear to you. See, for the time being, this is enough. In our next video, we will discuss some other topic of plus 2. Till then,